My name is Lora Arellano, and today I'm going to teach you how to create this Killer Lime graphic eye using the new 420 palette and Spliff eyeliner. Alright, first color I'm going to pick up is Shotgun. Alright, I'm going to pack it on the lid. Now I'm going to take a little scoop of liner. This one's called Spliff, to give me some nice thick liner on the top. Just a little scoop. Just kidding. Lay it on thick. I'm gonna go in and just bring it under my eye as well. The cool thing about this liner is you can smudge it out before it dries. All right, now let's attempt to match the other eye. Now I'm gonna take Zank, this one right here, and I'm gonna blend out underneath. And I'm gonna blend that down even lower with Blunt. Okay, now I'm gonna get some more eyeliner, darling. I'm gonna attempt to do a little mod situation. Lora tip. I kind of like to rest my pinky on my cheek and just kind of let the brush glide side to side. I'm gonna take a little bit of Shotgun. It's that same lime color I have on the lid. Just touch it up right underneath that graphic line I just drew on. Now add some mascara. Pop on your favorite pair of lash. The last thing I'm gonna do is add some blush. Sundown. And then I'm done. Am I whistle worthy?
It was different.